how I feel. I put my clothes on, and still more silence, more silence. Where's my water? Drink plenty of water. Be fluid, be one with water, be one with air. Preparing myself for the adventure, for the purpose of music, for the sound to grow within my belly. I am ready to start my day. I let my vocals carry me to the next moment.
Now here is where the story gets real. Midway through this artwork, my phone started overheating. I couldn't even record the whole process, so I had to finish it off camera. But that's okay because I've got you covered. I will drop a link to a similar video, this time with full voice guidance, where I walk you through the struggles and triumphs of making art like this. And hey, don't forget to drop a comment and let me know what you think. Like, subscribe and hit that bell button because the moment you have been waiting for is right here. The final review.